Imagine the delicious taste of a fresh cookie. That first bite gives you a big smile and lots of energy. But what happens next? Our friend Lucy has a challenge. After her snack, she wants to make her home look beautiful, but a big mess is waiting for her. She feels energetic, but time is running out before her favorite TV show. Will she finish cleaning in time? In this story, you will learn useful new words like energetic, filthy, and chatty. We will read everything very slowly, word by word, so you can write it down. Then, we will read it at a normal speed so you can practice listening. Come join Lucy on her busy day and see what happens. Lucy eats 3 cookies and feels very energetic. Time to clean, she thinks. She goes to the living room. It is a little messy. She finds a soft rag and starts cleaning. She's happy and full of energy. She wants to make her room look nice and neat before she rests. First, she starts dusting the TV and the pretty lamps. Then, she uses the rag to wipe the coffee table. She sees the rug on the floor. It looks very filthy and needs cleaning. "Oh my," she says. "This rug is very dirty." She knows she must clean it right away. So Lucy gets her vacuum cleaner. The vacuum is loud. She vacuums the entire rug until it looks clean again. After that, she starts to pick up toys and books from the floor. She puts away everything in the correct place. The living room looks much better now. Next, she looks at the bathroom. The floor needs mopping, and the big tub needs scrubbing. But Lucy is starting to feel tired. Cleaning is hard work. "I will clean the bathroom another day," she decides. She wants to relax a little bit now. Lucy turns on the TV to watch the newscast. But she is too late. She missed it. She starts to flip through the channels, but she only sees commercials. Her favorite reality show is not on yet. She puts down the remote and picks up a magazine to look at the pictures. She begins to thumb through the magazine, looking at photos of beautiful homes. Suddenly, the phone rings. It is her best friend Marlene. Lucy smiles and starts chatting with her. Talking to a friend is a wonderful way to end a busy day. Energetic, feeling full of energy and ready to do things. Example 1, the puppy is very energetic in the morning. Example 2, I feel energetic after I drink my coffee. Example 3, we need an energetic person for this job. Example 4, she has an energetic personality. Rag, a small piece of old cloth used for cleaning. Example 1, I use a wet rag to clean the table. Example 2, please pass me that rag. Example 3, the old shirt became a cleaning rag. Example 4, he wiped his hands on a rag. Dusting, to clean dust from a surface. Example 1, my job is dusting the shelves. Example 2, she is dusting the furniture. Example 3, I hate dusting because it makes me sneeze. Example 4, he spent an hour dusting his room. Wipe, to clean or dry something by rubbing it with a cloth. Example 1, can you wipe the floor? Example 2, she will wipe the windows tomorrow. Example 3, I need to wipe my glasses. Example 4, rug, a small carpet that covers part of a floor. Example 1, there is a beautiful rug in the living room. Example 2, my cat loves sleeping on the rug. Example 3, be careful, the rug is slippery. Example 4, we bought a new rug for the bedroom. Filthy, very dirty. Example 1, your shoes are filthy. Example 2, the kitchen was filthy after the party. Example 3, I need to wash these filthy clothes. Example 4, he cleaned the filthy car. Vacuum, to clean a floor using a vacuum cleaner. Example 1. I need to vacuum the rug. Example 2. He vacuums his apartment every Saturday. Example 3. Can you vacuum your room, please? Example 4. She likes to vacuum while listening to music. Pick up. To take things from the floor or a surface. Example 1. Please pick up your toys. Example 2. He helped me pick up the books. Example 3. She has to pick up clothes from the floor. Example 4. Let's pick up the trash. Put away. To put something in its correct place. Example 1. It is time to put away your games. Example 2. She helped her mom put away the groceries. Example 3. After you read the book, put it away. Example 4. He never puts away his shoes. Mopping. To clean a floor with a mop. Example 1. The floor is wet because I am mopping. Example 2. Mopping the kitchen floor is my chore. Example 3. He is mopping up the spilled milk. Example 4. She finished mopping the hallway. Scrubbing. To rub something hard to clean it. Example 1. He is scrubbing the pot. Example 2. Scrubbing the floor is hard work. Example 3. She used a brush for scrubbing the tiles. Example 4. I spent all morning scrubbing the bathroom. Tub. A large container for water used for washing yourself, a bathtub. Example 1. I like to take a long hot bath in the tub. Example 2. The children are playing in the tub. Example 3. Please clean the tub after your bath. Newscast. A program on TV or radio that reports the news. Example 1. I watch the evening newscast every day. Example 2. The newscast starts at 6 p.m. Example 3. Did you hear the weather on the newscast? Example 4. The main story on the newscast was about the election. Flip through. To look quickly at the pages of a magazine or channels on TV. Example 1. I like to flip through a magazine while I wait. Example 2. He will flip through the channels to find a movie. Example 3. She didn't read the report. She just flipped through it. Example 4. Don't flip through so fast. Commercials. Advertisements on TV or radio. Example 1. I don't like watching commercials. Example 2. The movie will start after the commercials. Example 3. That is a very funny commercial. Example 4. There are too many commercials on this channel. Reality show. A TV show with real people, not actors. Example 1. My sister loves watching a reality show about cooking. Example 2. He was a contestant on a famous reality show. Example 3. They filmed the reality show in a beautiful house. Example 4. A reality show can be very dramatic. Remote. A small device to control a TV from a distance. Example 1. Where is the TV remote? Example 2. He used the remote to change the channel. Example 3. I lost the remote again. Example 4. Please pass me the remote. Thumb through. To turn the pages of a book or magazine quickly. Example 1. She will thumb through the book to find a picture. Example 2. I like to thumb through old photo albums. Example 3. He sat in the cafe and thumbed through the newspaper. Example 4. I'll just thumb through this menu quickly. Chatting to have a friendly, informal conversation. Example 1. My friend and I were chatting on the phone. Example 2. They are chatting about their weekend. Example 3. I love chatting with my grandmother. Example 4. We spent the evening chatting by the fire.